Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this look right here. I have no idea what I'm going to be calling this look yet, so yeah, it's very colorful, very different, and I know some of you are going to be a little bit scared to try this look. It's summer and I've noticed that a lot of brands are coming out with a lot of colorful palettes, so I just feel like why not just go all out and be extra. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I already did my brows and my base off camera. I just wanted this video to be focused only on the eyes because we're going to have so much fun on the eyes. I'm gonna add so much color and glitter, and yeah, so I just wanted this video to focus just on that. So now we're just gonna go ahead and prep the eyes for eyeshadow. I'm just gonna be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium, and I'm just gonna be applying that to the lids. So I'm literally just gonna apply that on the lids only. I'm just gonna take the beauty blender just to blend that out. Now I'm just gonna take my TooFaced Peach Perfect Loose Powder, and I'm just gonna dip my beauty blender in it, and I'm just going to set this concealer. For the eyes, we're gonna be using a couple different palettes and eyeshadows. The first palette that I'm going to start the look with is going to be from Nomad, and this is the Antilles palette. I really hope I'm saying that correctly. But guys, just take a look at this palette. Like, look at all these vibrant and colorful colors. Like, they're just scream summer to me. The first shade I'm gonna be going into is Pink Sand Beach, and this is just a light pink shade. I'm taking that on a large blending brush, and I'm just gonna start applying that on the crease. And I'm also gonna bring it to the outer V and wing it out. This is actually super pigmented. This was just one dip into the eyeshadow, and you could already see the color like a lot. I'm so thankful to finally have my voice back. I lost my voice for like a week and a half, and it was sucked because I had so many ideas on YouTube videos that I wanted to record, because I know I've been slacking here and I know I keep saying that, but so now I want to deepen up that crease and that outer V, so I'm just going to be going back into that palette. This time I'm taking a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to be going into the shade Pink Flamingo. I'm going to be following the same steps. I'm just going to go into the crease and then blend it onto the outer V. I love how you really don't need to build much on these colors, that they are pigmented right off the bat. That saves so much time instead of having to like keep having to build and build a color, especially when you're doing something with a lot of vibrant colors. You want them to definitely be pigmented. Now I'm just taking that onto the outer V, and I'm gonna blend it out, but I'm not gonna take it as far as I took that first color, just because I still want that to be like the transition. We don't want it to be like a super harsh line. For all my Hispanic subscribers on this channel, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have opened a Spanish channel. So if you have not subscribed, please check the description box for the direct link. Next, I'm taking an angled brush, and I'm just gonna be going into the shade Caraco Nights. So I'm just gonna start defining that crease. I'm literally gonna draw a line, and I'm gonna stop right about where the outer V begins, because I don't want a full cut crease. I just want kind of like the shape at the beginning, but I want to smoke out the outer V. And there has been like 0 to no fallout with this. I'm so happy. Now I'm just gonna take this super tiny small blending brush and just start blending this line upwards. We're not gonna take it up that high as we took those two other shades. We're kind of just diffusing it as much as possible. So with this one, I think I am gonna have to build up the crease, just because I do want that purple to show a lot more than what it's showing right now, but it's fine, we can build it up. So again, I'm just gonna go back in with that angled brush and that same color and just do the exact same thing again, just to build that up a lot more. Going back in with that little brush and just blending this line out. So this second time, we definitely got a lot darker than the first time, and I am loving it. So now it's time to clean up the lid. I'm just gonna be going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to place that right underneath where we created that line, just to clean up that lid and make that eyeshadow that we're gonna apply pop a whole lot more. I like to do this using a very small flat brush. That way we could really get in there and just get that super cut, defined, and straight line. And again, I'm gonna stop that right where the outer V begins because I don't want to take it past there. I literally hold my breath while I'm doing this. To set that concealer, I'm just gonna be going in with Nomad's number 3. So this is like a purple pink shimmery shade, and I feel like this will go perfect with this look. Now I'm literally just going to pack this on right on top of that concealer. Ooh, look how pretty this color is. I love it. We have been ignoring the outer V for the past 5 steps, but now we're gonna go ahead and smoke that out. I'm just gonna be going back into the Caraco Nights shade, and I'm just taking a medium-sized blending brush. And I'm just gonna apply that right on the outer V, and I'm going to blend that outwards. So I'm just gonna keep adding some product until I get it as dark as possible. I feel like, let me just add a little bit more. I like how dark it is right now, so I'm not even gonna mess with it anymore. To get this look to be even more extra, we're gonna go ahead and add some glitter. I'm just gonna be going into the Beautycreations Splash of Glitters palette. I'm just gonna be using this shade right here. Before I add the glitter, I'm just gonna be going in with BH Base Booster Glitter and Shadow Glue. This one right here, and I'm just gonna apply that with a flat brush. So I want the glitter to be all over the lid, and we're gonna stop right where the outer V begins. Oh my god, this looks so good on top of that eyeshadow. Yes! So I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just gonna be cleaning out this part right here, just making that look super sharp and clean. I'm just gonna use that same flat brush that we used to create the cut crease, and I'm just going to clean that up. Just like that. And I'm just gonna take the Beauty Blender just to really press that into the skin and blend that out. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that Peach Perfect setting powder and just set that. To highlight my brow bone, I'm just gonna be going into Morphe's Babe in Paradis palette, and I'm just gonna be going into the shade Vacation. Look at how pigmented this is, guys. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm actually going to be using a different shadow. I'm gonna be going in with Nomad's number 2, and it's this lime green shimmer eyeshadow. This is literally gonna throw the whole look off. I usually only do gold or silver inner corners, but for this look, I just wanna do something different. So I'm going to be using a lime green, and we're just gonna pack that on. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. This color is literally everything. Look at that. So now it's time to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm just gonna be going back into that Nomad palette. I'm just gonna be going back into this shade mixed with this one right here. Now I'm just going in with that darker shade, and I'm going to keep that a little bit more concentrated towards the top of the lower lash line. So I just went ahead and lined my waterline using Urban Decay's Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Freak. Next, I'm just gonna be applying some mascara, and today I'm just using the TooFaced Better Than Sex. I'm just gonna apply this to both the top and lower lashes. So I just went ahead and added some falsies off camera. The ones that I'm wearing today are LillyLashes Opulence, and you guys know that these are like my favorite lashes. I wear them all the time. You could add eyeliner to this look, but I just felt like I wanted to switch it up because I feel like I always do eyeliner. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be going back into the Morphe X Bretman palette. I'm just gonna be using the shade Mahu mixed with the shade Vacation. I am obsessed with this highlight palette, by the way. I've been using it like non-stop every day. It's just so pigmented, and just the shades are so nice. They go with like any look. Just look at that. It is finally time for lips. To line my lips today, I'm just gonna be using the Kokie Cosmetics Nude Lip Liner. I love the color of this lip liner. It is literally the perfect nude. Like, for lipstick today, I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Sugar Mama. This is also a very, very pretty nude. I just wanted to keep the lips super simple because the eyes are just so extra that we don't want to go overboard. So you guys know that I just have to go in and add some gloss. The one I'm going to be using today is from LimeCrime, and this is in the shade Disco Cherry. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. I know this is a little bit different and a little bit out there for some of you, but I just wanted to do a look that was different than what I've been doing lately, so I just went with this. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, comment below and let me know any ideas on looks or any video that you guys are interested in seeing next from me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.